YouTube, here's the next full wrap this week. As you can see, it's a cat, Hellcat, not a red eye, but it's a wide body, and it's just, I love doing these things. Really clean all around. He just got it recently from upgrading. I don't know if it's an upgrade or downgrade from Trackhawk, but he said he likes this more. So yeah, but he doesn't want the color, so we're changing the color up. On these Hellcats you could literally get away with anything. Up there is the color, which is KPMF matte metallic or matte ice amethyst titanium, which is pretty much just purple titanium. And it's gonna look insane on this thing. I've been doing a lot of KPMF, guys. I mean, those colors are beautiful. You guys saw my car was wrapped with. Everybody's picking these colors from KPMF because they're just so nice. So you'll see how good it looks on this thing. I could already envision it, but this is a pretty hard color change because it's orange reddish to a dark, purple. So it is gonna take some time. As you can see, I got the car torn apart to pretty much how I want it. The whole top is actually painted from factory. So if you don't know, Dodge offers this from the factory for I think he told me $2,500. I don't think he brought this brand new, but that is, the price if you go on their website and spec out a Charger. It is literal paint because you can see underneath when you open it up that it doesn't peel like wrap. I mean, you could even see right here, I can't peel it like wrap. It's just a hard paint line. And when they do this top, they only do it to under the spoiler. So as you can see, this is what it looks like if you take the spoiler off. And yeah, we're just gonna wrap up to that line with the purple. So everything's taken off, as you can see, for what I need. It is a wide body, so the flares have to come off. You can never do this without them. I do have a video from one of the first videos I uploaded on this channel when I did a wide body Hellcat on how to take these off. It's really easy. So yeah, you can check that out if you need to. Window trims are off, door handles come off when I do the doors. And yeah, as you can see here, it's painted. Otherwise, all of this would be orange if it was just wrapped. So you could tell it's painted from factory. Other than that, everything, yeah, as you can see, is ready to go. So he's got the red on red with the red guts, and I got stuff all around. In that tube actually is once we're done with the full wrap in that color, we're doing a reflective Hellcat on the back in black, I think, black reflective. So it's gonna look sick. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. This one's gonna be a dope ass color change, and I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, record as much as I could. Not as much work as a normal car or a normal Charger that I would have, because the top's done for me and we're leaving it. So all I have to do is just the surrounding body. But yeah, here's the color. Pretty sick matte metallic purple. It's gonna look dope, man. So let's get to it. final update for you guys on YouTube. The customer is on his way. He will be here in a bit. So we finished everything. Came out amazing. Obviously, you guys saw this car was orange. You literally can't see any orange. There's only a couple spots. But with these chargers, I always put like extra pieces and stuff to make sure you can't see between the doors and whatnot, which I'll show you in a second. But overall, it came out amazing. KPMF matte ice titanium line is crazy. It looks amazing, and that's why a lot of people use this color. I've probably used that line from them, or that material, in other words, on the past like 5 cars. So other than satin black, pretty much I've been using them and everything comes out amazing. Ceramic coated fully as well. Also added this big Hellcat decal, which is reflective. You could kind of already see it on camera, but it is black reflective. So at night it looks amazing. I'll throw some clips in. It's kind of dark outside already, and it kind of looked like it was getting to that reflective, because you could pretty much only see it at night when you shine a light on it or a headlight hits it, or like, you know, a gas station light or something like that. But it looks sick. It came in pieces as a kit. Customer brought it for me. I didn't order it for him, so I just installed it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This came out amazing. So I know a lot of people ask for chargers, wide body chargers specifically, on how to do the bumpers, because nobody ever shows them. I didn't show them again in this video, but pretty much you could do them in one piece, but to play the safe route and literally not ever have any problems, you put a seam here. You do the full piece first to connect it, and then you do this flare second, and the seam faces that way. And until I get all the way up here, all the way up to like 1 inch away, you literally can't see the seam when it's done right. So doing it that way helps prevent any type of lifting there, because I've had issues in the past. You know, you live and you learn, and this is probably like my 5th wide body charger. So every single time I do one, I do them and learn from it. And yeah, I mean, it comes out better every time. On this, as you can see, there's some lint already from a microfiber towel, which is gonna happen when he washes it too. I mean, it's no big deal, but it's just because the decal has sharp corners. It is what it is. You just gotta be very gentle when you wash it and stuff. But everything came out amazing. Pretty much the bumper, on the wide body bumpers, you don't even have to put inlays here, as long as you feed it in correctly and you don't lose color. You could do this in one piece, no inlays there. There is an inlay on the upper part of the license plate area. Cat badges back on, and there's an inlay on the top piece, as always with the chargers. The gas cap pretty much took out this entire contraption. As you can see, only the bolts are orange, which I'm not gonna wrap because you can't even see them from the outside, but everything in there is purple. If you don't take this contraption out, then you're gonna try and cut around the rubber, and you're gonna see orange probably, most likely. But you know, when it's a crazy drastic color change like this, I always take this out and wrap this, you know, fully in there. It doesn't take a lot to take it out, so why not? You know, people are afraid of breaking stuff. I'm not, and I'll pay for it if I do. But yeah, flares came off, as you guys saw in the videos too, so everything's fully wrapped. When you get to open the door, even some people don't do this part. I started doing it. I didn't do it on my first couple, but as you can see, it's done there and it's done in there. And then, you know, nice seam, nice line going all the way through. And like I said, when you open the door from here, you can't see any orange. And I put this piece there because if I didn't, you would see a little bit of orange right here in between this gap between the doors. And then the side skirts wrapped all the way up to here, because you could see that top part of the side skirt when you close the door. He did do the red eye as well on the decal. I think it looks okay with the purple. You know, you want the eye to stand out. Maybe do Maybe like a yellow would match better with the purple. I don't know, but quarter panel area. Always put an inlay deep in there. You can't see any orange. You know what I'm saying? Unless you go under the rubber, which is like too deep. You know what I'm saying? Can only get so deep without getting stress in the material. But yeah, the real challenging part was probably this front bumper. It's just so much trimming and making sure you don't see orange around these headlights and whatnot. And I always do this in one piece, guys. You really have to have a good technique to make sure the color doesn't distort up here, because when you cut the material to have enough for the front bumper and the rear bumper, it's just enough, or you cut 2 inches less in the back and 2 inches more in the front, so the front bumper has that extra 2 inches to reach the top. A lot of people do this top piece separately, but if you do it the right way, you get full coverage top to bottom and you don't see any of the old color. And same thing with these flares, since they're molded like the rear bumper. Till you get really close, you literally can't see that seam. So I'll never get a message that is lifting, because it's done without any stress. So yeah, this is in the paint, as you can see. That was literally in the paint job. Front bumpers always have some rock chips and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is until you get up close. Can't really see it. The matte colors and the dark colors tend to hide them better. So yeah, didn't even take these markers out and I got full coverage. You can't see any orange. If you guys got a Hellcat, Scat Pack, Charger, Challenger, Durango, SRT, Trackhawk, any of them, hit me up. I'll give you the best price around. I'm pretty much the king of these around here. So yeah, let me know. On to the next one.